soon as I get into the parking spot. Got the list acquired. It was like 35 bucks. I didn't do the checkout thing, but the lady was, as she was putting the bags in my cart, she saw my list, and she said, "That's a smart idea." And I said, "I did that, that I made this, and I've got to keep this recipe kind of close because my mom passed in 2009, and this is one of the recipes that she used to make for every family dinner. So this recipe is kind of close to my heart. So let's go make it. They're fired up. Let's kick it on to gas. She's lit. So we have 2 cans of cream of chicken soup. I got one is 98% fat free. I don't know why, but that's what I got. All right. Add about half of the cheese, butter, a little too done, I'm going to add a little bit of Bayou Bear because it calls for a pinch of salt, so why not zhuzh it up? Make it my own. Now my mom, when she would make this, she would follow the instructions to a T, so she would absolutely hate this, that I just did that. But she wouldn't expect anything less, so get the bigger spatula here to stir it in. Okay, that's all mixed. Butter looks good. Frozen hash browns. Just fold in little bits at a time, so make sure they're all coated. Okay, let's get it put in a pan. Regular 9x13 pan. A little bit of Bayou Bear again. Now, it's ready for the smoker. Alright, so we're about halfway through the cook time. Just wanted to show this. I'm gonna flip the bottom pan to the top, top pan to the bottom, and spin them around for even cooking. So got them in the oven, ran about an hour and 30 minutes smoking it, so I need to get it done because of time restraint, and I got some cheese on it, sharp cheddar, and we'll get that in there melted, and once that's all melted and good, brown, golden brown, we'll get out of here. Well, that's a wrap. 3 pans of cheesy taters. We served 65 meals tonight. On the way home, it started to sprinkle, and I noticed this rainbow coming through downtown. Thought I'd share it with y'all.
Thanks for watching. There's tools in cooking. Did you have fun? Did it taste good? Rock on. You guys are awesome. We'll see you guys next week. Bye, guys.